Many people have also savored stir-fried dried bean sprouts with rich flavor. Cut the dried bean sprouts into thick slices, boil the water, and put them in the pot with the sprouts for 30 seconds. Remove the oil, add onion, garlic, millet sauce, and pour the red oil into the dried bean sprouts. Add a smaller amount of oil, stir-fry well. Finally, add chicken essence and a bunch of leeks. Quickly stir-fry, 7 or 8 times. Do you love stir-fried bean sprouts, made this way? Many people stir-fry green beans directly in the pan, which is not only not easy to cook, but just like me, the green beans stir-fried without water or oil are soft and into the stomach. First, cut the green beans into long strips and put them into a pot. Add a little salt, stir-fry on high heat until they are 8 ripe. Add pork belly, stir-fry the fat on a low fire, and add millet spicy and little old beans for color. I will share delicious home-cooked food every day. Please order carefully and encourage them. Thank you very much. The fund heats up high again to stir-fry until stimulating beans are made. The stir-fried pork with green beans becomes soft and delicious, going well with rice. If you learn it, you can make it yourself and try it. Stir-fry the tofu and eggs into a delicacy. Let's see how it is made. First of all, cut the tofu that costs 50 cents a piece into big pieces like me, and beat 3 eggs into the bowl. Beat them thoroughly with chopsticks and evenly. Before I knew it, I posted more than 1,000 works, but I haven't got your little red heart yet. It's really miserable. Please order a free little red heart for this video. Thank you very much. Then pour it into douche and heat it with high, medium, and oil. Take out the golden sides and reserve the empty rice. Stir-fry the millet spicy and fragrant. Pour the stir-fried tofu, and then pour the stir-fried ingredients on it. I put it in the comment area, and turn it over on high heat for 1 minute. Turn it out of the pan. The egg-fried tofu made in this way is really delicious. Serve with rice again. Next time, if you want to eat stir-fried river vegetables, you can do what I did. First, add a little dark soy sauce to the soaked vermicelli, stir with a little cooking oil, pour 3 female eggs, stir-fry them to disperse the bottom of the rice millet, stir-fry them together, and then stir-fry the bean sprouts until a little red heart is broken. It's just a little effort for you, but if I can be happy all day, please help you order one. Thank you very much. Add the fried eggs with vermicelli and leeks to season, and add salt. Isn't it very simple to stir-fry the oil-consuming amount of light soy sauce quickly on high heat, and it can be cooked out of the pan? Finally, tell me you learned. As far as this fish flavor is concerned, our whole family loves it, but we never go outside to buy it, because we can make the taste of a restaurant at home. First, add some salt, light soy sauce, and onion water to the shredded pork. Add a small amount of sweet potato flour to the top ginger, then pour cooking oil to lock the moisture, and then adjust a fish-flavored bowl. Add light soy sauce, water, white sugar, and adjust it. Heat the oil in the pot, and pour the shredded pork. I update a home-cooked dish. If you like it, leave a note. Next time you want to eat it and don't know how to cook it, you can also find my shredded pork. Grab a set of watercress, stir-fry it to the red oil, then add the cut side dishes, and stir-fry it until it is broken. Pour the shredded pork, good fish flavor branch. Turn it over on high heat to pay. The Mid-Autumn Festival is coming soon. The chicken boy I bought learned from me to be spicy and enjoyable. The more I eat, the more delicious the chicken wings become. Add salt and pepper raw materials. After mixing with wine, add a food Didion, grab and mix ginger again. Finally, add a little cooking oil until 60% of the oil temperature is 30 minutes, and fry it slowly to the surface. The golden rainbow is crisp, so that the ginger and pepper under the melon, remember to stir-fry it on a low fire. Then pour in the chicken wings, and stir-fry it on a low fire for 1 minute. Is it very simple? Learn to collect it quickly. Do it. Very. Let me tell you, many people buy this kind of cauliflower home, and don't know how to stir-fry it deliciously. Today, I will teach you this classic home-cooked cauliflower. I suggest you buy this kind of organic cauliflower, which is not only easy to stir-fry, but also very good. Put a bean, egg, soy sauce, light soy sauce, steamed fish and chicken essence into dry oil in the feeding bowl, add some pork belly, whip out the fat, stir-fry garlic and dried peppers together, and then add cauliflower. Turn on medium heat and slowly stir-fry until it gets warm, then pour in the dry sauce leaves made by yourself, and finally stir-fry twice casually. That is, the dry cloth cauliflower made by the system is really too good for rice. Note that many people don't know that spinach can be done in addition to fried. The method is simpler and more delicious than big fish and meat. First of all, 50 cents and 1 kilo of spinach are cut into small pieces of water to open salt and edible oil. Then the spinach is scalded and fished out for a cool white cover. I call it with my heart every day, and I haven't got your little red star all the time. The last video is really miserable. Today, you can give you a free little red heart to support it. Thank you very much. After eating light soy sauce oyster sauce powder, find water evenly. Pour 3 egg liquid with heat. Quickly stir fry the mixed ingredients with the mouse. Thicken the soup on high heat. Put the pepper on the spinach, and feed it simply and deliciously. You can also save it and try it. Down.